If we are honest, most of us have hurt someone we love with our words or actions. How can we make it right when we are in the wrong? Old Testament brothers Jacob and Esau spent much of their lives fighting with each other. Jacob tricked his brother twice, and the second time, Esau's anger was so violent that Jacob packed up his things and ran for his life. 20 years later, Jacob began the long journey home. On the way, he found out that Esau was approaching and was bringing what appeared to be an army with him. Jacob panicked and came up with a way to try and settle accounts with his brother. Jacob attempted to make amends to save his life. So he prepared a gift from his earthly possessions. When the brothers finally met, Esau embraced Jacob, accepted his gift, and extended forgiveness through his tears. Although we have no indication that Jacob wanted reconciliation, it appears that Esau was willing to forgive. When the two met, that forgiveness was completed by Esau's embrace and joy in seeing Jacob again. If there is a way we have wronged a family member, a coworker, or a friend, remember that part of seeking peace is taking the initiative to make amends through our words and actions. So have you wronged anyone? Is there anyone you could reach out to today and ask for forgiveness? It's not easy, but you'll never fully be at peace until you try.